Are we gonna be a team or not on this show? Come on. Come here, come on. Fix our hair. Stop eating my studio. So you may or may not have seen one of my old scratch shows. I play video games made by kids. I didn't get a lot of views, so sort of stopped doing that. Had the desire to do the scratch show again, but I wanted to do it completely different. I want to do it live. And I want to do it with the online students that are here at Hackingtons. And hopefully that will encourage other students to join Hackingtons online. Today's sort of the hardest day. Tonight's the show. I need a really good show. Can you behave, Kuma? So here's how the show goes. I build a game, I show it to everybody, I let everybody remix it, and they make it better. So I've settled on the idea that we're gonna build a game for the actual Hackingtons coding contest this month, which is called Hello Jack, in reference to jack-o'-lanterns. What is a jack-o'-lantern? Honestly, this is a challenge. Turning a jack-o'-lantern into a video game. Think. Games about pumpkins. Okay, a pumpkin is round. A cauldron that shoots out a pumpkin that smashes into something. That's our game. Should I do a time-lapse video of me making this game? Or do you really want to watch an entire tutorial?
Sometimes a tutorial is necessary, like the entire thing. I think a time-lapse is good in this case. We just want to see the overall thought process of Matt, CEO of Hackingtons. How does he think? How does he come up with competition ideas? And so I think a time-lapse, everyone loves a good time-lapse, right?
And it's done.
Loved it.
All that prep, and we are go time in, well, actually right now. So I will see you next time on The Scratch Show.